Vancouver English. Common and useful English expressions. Part 1. Expressions and examples. Part 2. Story. Part 3. Summary. Lesson 2.
Come on in. Welcome. Please come on in.
Come on in!
Get started. I will get started with my homework.
Let's get started.
First of all, let's introduce ourselves.
First of all, let me get something straight.
Wonder if, wonder whether. I wonder if it will rain tomorrow.
You're wondering if I'm wrong.
Have good grades, have bad grades.
I had bad grades last year.
I get good grades, I guess.
Well-rounded. She is a well-rounded person.
These kids need a well-rounded education.
Excel in. She excels in math.
She is excelling in everything.
Be good at, be poor at. I am good at cooking, but my sister is poor at it.
Lawrence is good at piano.
Work on. I should work on my social skills.
I'm working on it.
Get along with. I get along with my coworkers.
You get along with your parents?
Hang out with. I like hanging out with them.
Who do you hang out with?
Become friends with. I became friends with my neighbor.
I became friends with their granddaughter, Vivian.
Bestie. We are besties.
Besties.
Participate in. Will you participate in the activity?
I refuse to participate in that.
Sign someone up for something. I will sign you up for an art lesson.
Daddy, I signed up already.
Mind you. He is always late, but mind you, he gets his job done.
Mind you, I wouldn't mind leasing a duck.
Wish someone luck. I wish you luck on your exam.
Wish me luck.
Run out of. We ran out of milk.
Running out of gas? Really?
Feel free. Feel free to stop by my house.
Feel free to agree or disagree.
Email someone, text someone. You can email me or text me.
He only emailed me 4 times.
Come by. I asked him to come by my office.
Come by anytime.
Story time.
Hello, come on in. Thanks for joining the parent-teacher conference today. Let's get started. First of all, do you have any concerns or questions about your child?
I wonder if Hazel is doing well at school. Does he have good grades?
Hazel is a well-rounded student. She has good grades and works hard. She particularly excels in math and science. She is good at art too. However, she needs to work on English a bit more.
I see. Does she get along with her classmates?
Yes, she does. She usually hangs out with several close friends.
I know who they are. She became friends with them early this year. They are besties.
Wonderful. Does Hazel participate in any extracurricular activities?
She goes to piano lessons. We've just signed her up for a soccer team as well.
Good for her.
Mind you, she doesn't like physical activities, so I am not sure how it's gonna go. Wish us luck.
Oh, good luck. I think we are running out of time. If you have any other questions, please feel free to email me.
Sounds good. Thank you for your time.
You're welcome. Thank you for coming by.
Summary. Thank you for watching.